Question number 29, and it's the final one. Obviously, a batch of salad dressing requires 1 2/3 cups of olive oil, a half a cup of vinegar, and 3/4 cup of water. So how many cups of salad dressing will this recipe produce? Obviously, we are adding all these numbers, okay? So it's olive oil plus vinegar plus 3/4 cups of water. Obviously, we're pouring everything in the same container, so mathematically it means you add everything up, okay? So we did this before. Obviously, you're adding 3 fractions, but notice this one is a mixed number, so it has a 1. This one doesn't have any whole number. This one doesn't either, okay? But at this point, I just need to focus on my fractions. So let's add the fractions together. 2/3 plus 1/2 plus 3/4. Now, what's the least common denominator for all these 3 numbers? 3, 2, and 4. It's a 12. Okay? Because 3 goes into 12, 2 goes into 12, and 4 goes into 12. How do you go from 3 to 12? You multiply by 4, and you multiply here by 4. How do you go from 2 to 12? You multiply by 6, and you multiply here by 6. And how do you go from 4 to 12? You multiply by 3, and you multiply here also by 3. Okay, so far here's what we have. 2 times 4, 1 times 6, and 3 times 3. So I come here to the bottom just to give myself some room. So 12 as a denominator. 2 times 4 is obviously an 8, plus 6 times 1 is obviously a 6, plus 3 times 3 is a 9. Okay? Okay, so this is what we have so far. Okay, good. So equals 8 plus 6 is 14. Add 9, it's 23. So you put 23/12. Okay, obviously this is an improper fraction. You need to change it to a mixed number. So 12 goes into 23 how many times? It's 1 time, because 2 times 12 is 24, so that's too big. So it's only 1 time. Okay, so 12 is the denominator. 12 times 1 is 12. How much do you need to go to 23? You need 11. Okay, now if we look back at all the numbers we added, only one of them had a whole number, so basically there was a 1 there. Okay, now add the 1 to the 1, it gives you 2, and add your little fraction, and voila, you're done. So 2/11/12, and that's letter C. Okay, congratulations for completing this module.